Now they say one man's trash is another man's treasure, and in this case, someone was going to throw this piece of melamine material out, and I was like, no ways, it's coming my way. I've got a cheap shelving project that I'm going to jump onto. Let's get into it. Absolutely ice cold. What a great start. Now let me show you something about how we've cut this and why we've cut it the way we have. Okay, so right now we are in fact using the wrong router bit. Yep, you heard me, the wrong router bit. This is a 3-flute straight cut roughing bit, and if you believe what you see on the internet, they will say never use this for melamine. Well, don't believe what you read, and here's why. One of the things that we've done is we have created a lead in. The reason why we're going to create this lead in is as this router bit is getting down to the relevant depth, we want to keep it away from the material that we're actually going to be cutting. Step number one. Once this has gotten to the relevant depth, in our instance, we are running this at 8 millimeters depth of pass at a speed of 15 meters a minute and 16,000 RPM on the router bit. That meant to cut all of these projects, we had 7 minutes worth of cutting time. Once we've gotten down to the right depth, we're then going to ask this router bit to come in and actually do the cutting. So the lead in is actually what allowed us to get such a successful clean cut on the inside of our board, which is what we want. So with our router bit spinning clockwise, what we want to do to make sure that this comes out cleanly is run anti-clockwise. With us running anti-clockwise, you can see that we've generated a perfect edge as the cutter is cutting away from our material, even using the wrong router bit, cutting at very high speeds. Now, can you imagine this material was going to be thrown away? Come on. Okay, so a lot of you guys would have anticipated this little 6 millimeter router bit breaking, running at 15 meters a minute, 8 mils depth of pass. Well, guess what, gentlemen? I have got more videos coming your way if you would like to learn about how to cut melamine at high speed cutting. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.